Don Schreiber and you make Action News 24 #1. This is ABC.
It's Friday night, and the mood is right. Gonna have some fun, show you how it's done, TGIF.
But let's check the stats. If you add them up, you get 65.1 inches, smashing any kind of record you ever had for a day, 3 days, or even a week of snow in Erie. 2 inches on Christmas Eve. Monday, the big one, 34, another 26.5 yesterday, and another 2.6 since 5 o'clock today.
Whether you've seen them or not, the snowplows have been out. Mill Creek Township manning their 17 plow routes nonstop since the start of the storm.
We've been prepared for the winter. We have plenty of crews and plenty of supplies.
Same goes for the city of Erie. Despite being prepared, cleanup was challenging for crews. The record snowfall came quick and came heavy.
Literally, you would drive through an area and plow, and almost as soon as you were done, the road was covered again.
Crews in the city faced the same issue. Normally, Mill Creek Township would allow 8 hours for a car to be moved in an event that requires plowing. Because of the amount of snow with this snowstorm,
So we've taken away that 8-hour requirement, and at this point, if your car is blocking the plow and we can safely remove it, the tow company will come in and remove it with no notice.
the city is using towing as a last resort.
We will start you out with St. Peter Cathedral laser eye surgery of Erie camera, part of the Yankee Honda Skycam network. Looks like a winter or Christmas postcard. Here's West 10th Street with their pretty lights and, of course, snow all over the roofs of the houses and structures around the cathedral. So, yeah, we got the snow. 65.1 inches is the total for Erie since it started Christmas Eve after 7 o'clock. But the other story, of course, is the cold. The high, thought we'd take a look around the area. Obviously, all know about northern Erie County, 3 to 5 feet. Edinboro, thanks, Laura, for that updated amount through this evening. 18 inches there.
Freeze and a snow emergency. A deadly Arctic blast from the plains to the northeast. Snowdrifts bearing homes.
In Erie, 65 inches of snow and still coming down. Nazir Al-Dumani spent most of the day digging out his family's 2 cars, trying to keep up with Mother Nature this week. He says, a losing battle. Crews coming from as far away as Pittsburgh, the National Guard called in too. One problem that officials here in Erie are dealing with, mounds of snow that turned out to be cars buried in, owners just unable to get to them.
And Alex joins us live now from Erie. Alex, they've been hit with this massive snowmaker, and more snow is on the way. With all those people digging out, you found the one spot where they're putting all that snow?
Yep, right here. Tom Cruise have been working hard to clear the snow all day, truck after truck. We've seen them come in here dumping their loads. Some of these piles are 12 feet high, and now another winter storm watch. Some spots could see an additional foot of snow on top of all this. Tom?
Alex Perez reporting from the tundra tonight. All right, Alex, thank you.
Holy crap. Looks like we're getting it now.
Special. Sharon wants someone friendly.
Dang, dude. Oh, shucky ducky. Ooh, look at that. Get a shot of that. Oh, Shucky Ducky's the man today.
TGIF has just begun, so make your fridge run, then get back to the fun.
Fox blast you into 1998, live from the Rio Suite Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. David Allen Greer hosts Chumbawamba, Sugar Ray, Third-Eye Blind, and more. Plus, we'll drop a car with a man inside in a world record-breaking stunt with New Year's Eve attacks, 11 p.m. on Fox.
Let the fun begin.
WJET TV 24 Erie.
Jeez. see across the lake. This ain't like a road, it's just snow. Tracks for me. Wow. Look, there's the sun. Where's the sun? I can't even see it on here. It's right next to that tree, though. Black hole sun, won't you come? This is the biggest hill on Lakeside, the summit. Oh yeah, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, Christmas! All right. Holy freaking cow.
Hey, Bill, we'll just...
Well, that's the end of TGIF for tonight.
Oh, bummer.
All right, Cody. TGIF will be back next week with another terrific step-by-step.
Yeah, but what do we do for the rest of the night?
What do you suggest?
You know, I think you two should be alone. That's important in a marriage.
Good idea.